Coast region on matters to do with public service inclusivity for the people from the Coast region are matters that we have not only agreed, but we have made as a commitment by Kenya Kwanza. And we have signed into that commitment because we have every intention, commitment, and belief that we will deliver on this commitment. And I want to confirm to the Pamoja African Alliance team that there is a world of a difference from where you are coming from and Kenya Kwanza. Kenya Kwanza is an alliance of Democrats, of the willing. I am sure you know, on the other side, people are forced, coerced, blackmailed, and threatened to belong to the other side. When I hear the people on the other side saying there was an attempt at benchmarking, how can there be benchmarking between darkness and the light? There is nothing that we have in common with the people on the other side. The journey to the alliance of the willing already started when we had the first meeting with our PA colleagues. Different from the agreement they signed on the other side, which they were never allowed to read, which they don't have a copy. Here, they had days to read the agreement we had with them. They even had days to improve on the agreement we had with them. And they have copies of the agreement we have signed with them. So there is a world of a difference between us and the other side. The other side use force. Here we use respect. The other side are deep in secrecy, deceit, and conmanship. Here we are an open, transparent coalition of Democrats, the free and the willing. So we want to tell our friends on the other side, good people, there is nothing that we share with your modus operandi. There is nothing to benchmark between